Ever had a dream so real it gave you goosebumps, but no clue how to begin? You want more time, more choice, more meaning. And guess what? The moment you truly decide, everything starts aligning. There's a saying, when you want something, the whole universe begins to move with you. And in this business model, you are never alone. You'll walk into a ready-made community that's been waiting to support you. This isn't about doing it all yourself, it's about doing it with the right team, at your own pace, with systems that work. From day one, we plug you into a step-by-step model that grows with you. You'll learn, you'll grow, and more importantly, you'll never walk alone. We rise together, we cheer loud, and when things get hard, someone's already walked that road, and they'll guide you. The universe might be whispering. We're here to echo it louder. Ready to start? Let's make that dream happen.